Hi guys, welcome to Henry's Bird Room. I'd like to start out by thanking you guys again for your donations and your support and everything else, and your and all your wonderful words and everything. You guys have been fantastic through all this hurricane stuff and everything's been going on. But also, I wanted to, on a positive note, I wanted to show you some of the things that have been going on here and to bring you guys up to date. Tomorrow we're leaving for Kentucky for the con. So hopefully I'll be able to stream live from there and show you guys all this bunch of stuff. And I'm gonna dress up, yay! So it'll be fun. Okay. Today I'm doing an update on the red Harlequins that I had. It was with a white border and a red half border, half Gloucester Harlequin that I have. That the babies came out fantastic. I want to show you guys. Let's look. Here they go right there. Let's see if we get a better look. Here they go. The mother is the darker one. Doesn't they look amazing? And they still have more colors to come. But once they go to their first or second molt, it should be pretty cool. So you guys will be seeing that pretty soon. I gotta start increasing the color, so when the new feathers come out, everything will come together. And naturally, well, I think the camera went up a little bit. Naturally, their color will be red, but you could intensify it. Since they come from a red background, the bronze that I had, there was the father or mother of that Corona one. It had red siskin in it, so it didn't really need a lot of color. It was naturally red. But when you add on like a white or something like that, it will start diluting it somewhat. That's how you get the Harlequin. But when you increase the color, it turns out to be like a soft pinkish peach, and that's where you get the Harlequin from. Okay? It should be pretty cool. You guys have been writing me and telling me when the store's going to open up or when I'm going to start having stuff on there. You guys could check. I have a few things on there. I wasn't able because I didn't have no electricity, so I wasn't able to put some stuff up. But everything should start going back to normal pretty soon as soon as we get back from Kentucky. So you guys keep on and look and give me your comments and write me, and tell me what you're looking for if I have it or I'll look for it. But normally what I have put on there is what I'll have. Maybe a few things more, and also I'm gonna have some canaries for sale. If you live in Florida, anywhere in Florida, we will deliver it to you for $50 more. But we'll talk all about that when I get back and I put it on, and you'll see the canaries that I have and everything else. Okay. Look forward to seeing you guys when I get back. Okay. Love you guys. Thank you for being so wonderful, and see you soon. Bye.